Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another calligraphy video. In the last video I did this with markers, but the markers bled, so I wasn't too happy with it. This time I'm going to try to replicate the same one, this one, but this time I'm going to use ink and a brush. So there's my brush and here's my ink. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Reason why I've decided to use ink is because when I did the calligraphy at the bottom of the last one, calligraphy in English, I found that ink doesn't really bleed as the markers do. Having said that, it's harder to control a brush than it is to control a marker. Not really accustomed to using brushes. So yeah, still looks good, but the control of the brush isn't quite there yet. Still need to practice. And that's the key to calligraphy. People always say, how do you learn calligraphy? Well, you've got to know the basics, you've got to know how to hold a pen and stuff. But thereafter, it's just practice, practice and practice. Hours and hours and hours of practice. And that's true for Arabic calligraphy or English calligraphy or calligraphy in any language, in any text. You have to invest time and effort like anything. And if you can give your time and your effort. If you've got time and effort, if you've got time in your hands, you're willing to invest the time and you're willing to, and you've got a lot of paper as well, then everything is possible. Most people that I come across on the internet who do calligraphy, Arabic calligraphy, are actually self-taught. I'm not self-taught, I was taught by a teacher, but I'm amazed to find people who I consider better than me, and they were self-taught. Yeah, that looks nice. Right. Now, I think I'll get some green ink and finish it off maybe tomorrow or something like that. just highlighting the lines because the ink's gone into the pores, into the grooves of the canvas. So I'm just going over that with a finer brush. Okay folks, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I shall be back soon with the completion of this piece, inshallah. I like the nice clean lines, sharp lines that these bushes give like that. But the ink just seems to go into the grooves of the canvas, in which case you need to keep going over it. So I'm going to work on this some more, but I'm going to let you go for now, and then I'll come back with another coloured ink, green or something, and then I shall complete this piece, inshallah, Allah willing. Don't forget to comment in the section below. Let me know what you think. Jazakumullah.